Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay Swayfunded with Crypto Binance. So here's the step number one. Step number one is to confirm Swayfunded's crypto payment details. So check if the Swayfunded accepts cryptocurrency payments and obtain their wallet address. This may be shared as a QR code or a text-based wallet address, like for example for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT, and etc. And then after that, just confirm the specific cryptocurrency that they accept, like for example BTC, ETH, or USDT. So it can be shared as this one, like QR code as said in here. For step number two is to log into Binance. So open the Binance app or visit the Binance website and then just log in with your credentials. So it looks something like this. You can continue with Google, continue with Apple, or you can also continue with email and phone number. Step number three is to ensure that you have sufficient crypto balance. So check your Binance wallet to ensure you have enough balance in your cryptocurrency Swayfunded accepts. If needed, you have to buy or convert other cryptocurrencies into the required one. So to do that, you just have to go to trade and then tap convert or spot trade. So here, tap on trade and then spot, and then that's it. For step number four is to transfer crypto to Swayfunded. To do that, just go to the wallet section in Binance, select withdraw. Now choose the cryptocurrency that you are sending, and then just paste the Swayfunded's wallet address into the recipient's address field. After that, just select the appropriate blockchain network, like for example this, and etc. based on what Swayfunded specifies. Now you have to ensure the network matches their wallet's compatibility to avoid loss of funds. And then after that, just enter the amount that you wish to send. Now for the last step is to confirm the payment. Review the details or the recipient's wallet address, the amount, network, and the fees. Complete any additional security steps, like for example, two-factor authentication or email confirmation. Then once you're done with that, just submit the transaction and it looks something like this. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!